Welcome to North Hollywood. We're gonna check out this beautiful single family home right in the heart of North Hollywood here, which is, we call it also NoHo, California. So we're stepping into this beautiful mid-century style home, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, a little bit over 1,500 square foot, and the lot size is over 6,000 square foot, built in 1957. But I'm really pleased to show you guys the floor plan and see how beautiful this home is. So we're walking into the main entrance, and I love these little, shelves that they put when they were building these homes, because it gave it so much character. We're walking into this beautiful living room with dual pane windows. The windows have been changed. This home does not have an attic in this area because it's basically when they were building the mid-centuries, they were using exposed beams. We have this beautiful dual-facing fireplace here, brick fireplace, and we're walking here into, this could be also a dining room, but they've chosen to make it into a family room, which is nice also. Then we have our open concept kitchen right here with a breakfast bar and appliances, a beautiful breakfast nook here, really pretty. A lot of, these are all original cabinetries that they have here from 1957. They haven't changed it, but it gives it a lot of character. We're going to be walking into the laundry area here, and then there's a 3/4 bath on the left-hand side here, which I will show you. So we're walking into the 3/4 bath, and it does have a standing shower here. Again, this is original. See from the handles, it's an original shower. We actually have it at my mom's house, so that's how I know. Here we're walking into bedroom number 1, facing the street. Again, dual pane windows, beautiful, a lot of nice natural lighting coming into the room. Our closet is here. We have this open hallway here with some storage spaces here. We're coming to the second bedroom right here. Again, another beautiful bedroom with a couple of windows, plenty of natural lighting here. This is a really nice neighborhood here in North Hollywood. A lot of really nice homes. People take pride of the ownership of their homes here. But let's walk into here we go. Sorry, lost my direction for a second. So here's a primary bedroom. Really nice size. It's basically facing the backyard. Really nice big bedroom with dual pane windows. We have dual closets right here. So we have a his and hers, or hers and yours, or his and his closets right here. We have a full bath right here. Again, original, check this out guys. Original cabinetry right here. Really cool, very nice. And from here, there's a second entrance that goes to the hallway. So you could, these other 2 bedrooms can use this bathroom also. Now, let me take you guys to the backyard. It's a private backyard. We do have our citrus tree right there. It is on central AC. Yeah, there you have it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you'll be the first to be notified of any hot properties that are coming on the market. And again, if you want to schedule a showing for this property, go ahead and message me below, and I look for you on the other side. I'm Carolyn Alaverdian from Real Estate by Carolyn over at Balboa Real Estate. Thank you so much for watching.